more to go.
Mhm.
I almost know what I'm doing now.
What are you doing?
They're called strainers. They're really cheap. I don't know why anybody uses a piece of wood and twists it. These are portable. First I just tighten everything up close. Make sure they're not crossed up here. And screw things up. Nice clean lines there. There. My posts wiggle because I don't put them in real deep. I don't have clay ground, and I ain't going 100 miles with my fence. Pick up your wire so you don't step on it later or feed it to the chickens. And they have custom-made tensioning bars for this. But a 5/8 is a heck of a lot cheaper. Before I get carried away, I put my gloves on. It's the only place where you hurt yourself. So we tighten it up. Maybe. What am I doing wrong here, guys? Something's binding. So to see where we're at. Nothing's twisted on top of each other. Pulling on the wires to make sure it's tight eventually, or tight enough. It's only holding goats, so you don't have to make it insanely tight. They may prove me wrong later. That's this one. One more to go. And I'll talk about the next one.